I want to introduce MyMealPlanAi. It's the world's first AI nutritionist that fits in the palm of your hand. First, you figure out your macro goals. We use the same formulas you find on bodybuilding.com or on MyFitnessPal. Then, we use the USDA guidelines to create a balanced mix of protein, carbs, and fats. Once you have your macros, you create your daily meal plans. You make a list of food that you would like to eat and then click Create My Meal Plan. Then the AI figures out the right combination of food to get really close to your macros. You can create as many of these meal plans as you want so you can plan ahead for the week. Once you have a complete meal plan, you can go grocery shopping. Just select the plans you want to include in the list, then keep track of what and how much you need to buy. Or just remove the items if you have them already.